Unlike the mass-produced models, every one of these fiberglass bodies is meticulously hand-assembled by our specialized team.
Set the fiberglass down in bay 4. We can't mix these with the steel yet.
Here in the mold area, the specialized fiberglass is carefully hand-laid into the master patterns, a meticulous process unlike traditional steel stamping.
Unlike steel welding, the Corvette's fiberglass body required skilled handwork. Workers applied resin and
The layered mat reinforcement bridges the panel edges, creating this monolithic structure. When properly executed,
ensuring a quality finish on these plastic surfaces requires special primers. The prep work sequence is absolutely critical for adhesion.
This Venetian red finish is flawless, truly capturing the iconic look of a 1950s fiberglass body.
The 57 Corvette's wraparound chrome bumper prioritized styling. Lighter than the Bel Air,
This 1957 V8, equipped with the revolutionary Rochester fuel injection, achieved an unheard of 1 horsepower per cubic inch.
The dual carbs produce 270 HP, compared to 283 H for fuel injection. A set
Optimized for performance, these close-ratio 4-speed manual transmissions were meticulously paired with Positraction limited-slip differentials.
Notice the compact design and the floor-mounted shifter, revolutionary for its time when 3 speeds were the norm. Here we install the Positraction unit. Its unique clutch packs ensure that critical power is distributed, enhancing both traction and handling.
The geometry here has to be precise for the tie rod clearance.
Got it. Lining up the ball joint now.
Good. Torque it down to 75 foot-pounds.
the rear suspension utilized a solid axle design, paired with these robust leaf springs for a firmer ride and better cornering.
These new dual headlights, installed here in the fender pods,
dramatically improved night visibility for the '57 Corvette. The distinctive side cove panels are crucial to the '57 character, requiring precise alignment. Truly a work of art.
This anodized aluminum insert creates the classic two-tone look without full paint, truly unique to the 1957 model. This chrome script wasn't just a name, it was a statement, defining the Corvette as a true dream car of the era.
The 1957 Corvette's taillight, seen here in stunning 4K detail, was designed with function prioritized.
Next, the drive shaft connects the transmission to the Positraction rear axle, completing the high-performance drivetrain.
All right, align the passenger side pipe with the cutout. Make sure the hanger clears the frame.
The new fuel-injected Corvette truly delivered. We are confirming the advertised 283 brake horsepower right here on the dyno.
The base convertible started at $34,665, rising past $4,000 with the addition of fuel injection. This 57 features the revolutionary ramjet fuel injection, putting out 1 horse remarkable per cubic inch. And the dry weight?
The 1957 Corvette, demonstrating a grip and balance far superior to its rivals, truly embodied the sports car mission.
It's the original 283, but we put a lot of work into the fuel injection.
The detailing is incredible. Look at that air cleaner.
And they're off. The '57 Vet really laying down the rubber. Look at that time, folks. A new track record.
The crowd is loving it as the Corvette pulls ahead, proving that Detroit can compete with the best in the world.
We need to highlight the cove, move the fill light slightly to the left.
Perfect. Okay, rolling film.
Gentlemen, this isn't just a car, it's a statement. The engineering in this '57 is unmatched.
Absolutely stunning. I've never seen anything like it.
This is the future right here.
It's absolutely stunning, darling. Imagine driving this beauty.
We won't have to imagine for long.
Man, check out the fuel injection on that, baby. Yay! It's the sharpest ride in town, Joe. I gotta get me one of these. Here you are. Enjoy the show.
Thanks a million. Oh, this looks divine. Did you get the chocolate shake?
Are you enjoying the wind, my love?
Oh, this is the most wonderful afternoon.
I finally got the fuel injection tuned just right. Listen to that idle.
That sounds perfect. Did you adjust the timing yourself?
The fuel injection gives you smoother acceleration, and the automatic is just effortless.
True, but you can't beat the feel of a 4-speed. And
See, this is the original fuel-injected 283, numbers matching.
Absolutely pristine. It's stunning work.
Easily pushing $300,000 today.
This Rochester fuel injection system is a masterpiece. Truly a rare find in this condition.
The 1957 Corvette proved America could build a world-class sports car, combining performance and